Welcome to the Smart Switch Installation Guide. This video will explain the difference between neutral and no-neutral wiring and how to install a smart switch in either system. Standard mechanical switches only break the live wire. Smart switches contain Wi-Fi chips that require continuous electricity to function, which is a major difference. A standard electrical circuit consists of 3 wires. The live wire L brings electricity from the panel, the neutral wire N returns electricity to the panel, and the ground wire E provides a safe path for faults. Older homes often used loop-in wiring, which means the neutral wire is trapped at the ceiling fixture, leaving no neutral wires in the wall switch box. The first step is to check your switch box. Always turn off the main breaker first. Open the switch box safely, and look for a bundled white neutral wire tucked in the back. If you find a white wire bundle, you can verify it using a multimeter. Turn the power on carefully. Measure the voltage between the live wire and the suspected neutral. A full voltage reading confirms it's a neutral wire. If you have a neutral wire, connect the live wire to the live input L, the load wire to the light output L1, and the neutral wire to the neutral input N. A neutral wire setup is superior. It ensures stable operation, eliminates LED flickering, and supports higher electrical loads easily. In a no-neutral setup, the smart switch draws a microscopic current through the light fixture to power itself continuously. This energy leak utilizes the existing light circuit. Tiny trickling currents in a no-neutral system can cause low-wattage LED lights to flicker. The solution is to install a bypass capacitor at the ceiling fixture to safely absorb this extra current. For installation without a neutral wire, connect the live wire to L and the load wire to L1. It is crucial to install the bypass capacitor at the ceiling light. The table summarizes which switch to buy. If a neutral wire bundle is visible, buy a standard neutral switch. If not, buy a no-neutral switch. If flickering occurs, install a bypass capacitor. To future-proof your home, run neutral wires to every switch box during renovations. This setup unlocks all future automation upgrades, including smart dimmers and motion sensors. Remember to check your physical wiring before purchasing hardware. Select the correct smart switch based on neutral availability, and always turn off the main breaker completely before starting installation.